Gamers and keyboard enthusiasts, this one's for you. Meet the AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, the compact 75% keyboard that packs per-level performance, stunning RGB, tri-mode connectivity, and hot-swappable switches all in one sleek design. Whether you're gaming or working, this might just be the ultimate keyboard upgrade you've been waiting for. Are you searching for the ultimate wireless mechanical gaming keyboard that delivers both performance and style? Meet the AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, a 75% hot-swappable custom keyboard designed for pro gamers and creators. Compact 75% layout with 81 keys and arrow keys included, this keyboard saves desk space without sacrificing function. Perfect for gaming setups and productivity. Multifunction control knob, switch between gaming and office mode with ease. Control your RGB brightness, lighting effects, volume, or even play/pause music. All with a simple turn or click of the knob. 16.8 million RGB backlight featuring 16 preset effects and 10 music rhythm modes. This keyboard creates an immersive gaming atmosphere. You can customize brightness, speed, or even choose a single color backlight, or turn it off when not needed. Hot-swappable and customizable supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, letting you upgrade or swap switches without soldering. Pre-lubed Leibog Reaper switches and stabilizers provide smooth typing, fast response, and that perfect creamy mechanical sound. Tri-mode connection, use Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C wired mode. Connect up to 5 devices at once and switch between PC, laptop, tablet, phone, Xbox, or PlayStation effortlessly. Powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery for long-lasting performance. Advanced build and noise dampening designed with 5 layers of silencing material, PCB single key slotting, and a silicone pad for softer keystrokes, better stability, and reduced cavity noise. Side-printed gradient PBT keycaps, sweat-proof, durable, and stylish with a unique side-engraved design that allows RGB light to shine through. The gradient black keycaps make your setup look modern and premium. So, what do you think of the AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard? With its RGB backlighting, hot-swappable switches, tri-mode connection, and premium side-printed PBT keycaps, it's clearly built for both gamers and professionals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming gear reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you use the F75 Pro for gaming, work, or both? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.